Or if you had a large apartment to clean, or an apartment complex, or a hotel, or whatever, you could roll that right along with you and have all your cleaning supplies right with you. Hey y'all, I got sent over an extra large cleaning caddy. We're gonna get it opened up and check it out and see how large it is and see what all we can put in this thing. It is like a little dolly with a tote, if you will, on top of it. Got our casters here. They kind of went falling on the floor, but they survived the fall. So we'll see what we have here. This is our cleaning bag. Here is our caddy part. This is a roll around cart, truck, caddy, whatever you want to call it. It's got bungee cord here. Comes with your instruction manual. You can check that out if you'd like, or you can just kind of wing it like I do and figure it out as we go. The handle will flip up. Just in case you was wondering, I got a tape measure here. It measures 13 inches wide and 15 3/4 inches long. We're gonna get our caster spud on there, and then we're gonna open the bag up and see what all we can put in it. It's not just for cleaning supplies though. I saw some pictures of it. You could use it for a lot more than just cleaning supplies. Pretty heavy duty casters here. They do swivel around, so it'll go 360 degrees. Let's see if they're all the same. It appears there is going to be 5 of them. We'll just set them up here and then we'll put them all in place. And it looks like it comes with a screwdriver here. There you go. Oh, that's a nice screwdriver too. Handy dandy. And the screws. Let me get this thing put together and then we'll check out the bag. Be right back. It does come with 2 extra screws in case you lose one. That's a good thing. There we go. We are rocking and rolling now. Right, you can lift that handle up. This right here slides up and down. That will lock it into place where you can have it straight up and down, or you can pull it up and tilt it on back. Whatever you would like to do. Now you can extend this handle. This is 22 inches. You can go out 30 inches. On out to 38.6. So however long you want it. I'm just wondering where they're measuring from. Because that is about 33 and a half from right here. So they may be measuring from the floor. They're not measuring from here to the end. They're measuring from the floor to the end there. Anyway. There you go. That is our little hand truck here, or caddy, whatever you want to call it. Now, I guess the bag would be the caddy. This would be a hand truck. Let me set this to the side. It does not weigh much at all. I do not know what the weight capacity is on this. It does not say. Let me see if I can stand on it. We'll see if we hear any cracks. Whoa, this is like a big skateboard. Oh, not a problem at all for me. And let's just say I'm a little over 200. We'll go with that one. Anyway, it'll hold that much. No signs of any cracking or anything like that. So you're good to go there. Don't think your cleaning supplies are going to weigh more than 200 pounds. Not for like spray bottles and stuff. But here we go. We have a bag. See what we got here. Oh, this is a nice looking bag, y'all. Some little dividers here. Those 2 are made together, but that one came apart. Flap here. There's some more. Shoulder strap. Cool. It's a padded shoulder strap. You can tote this thing around on your arm if you'd like. I kind of tried to brighten it up a little bit so you can see inside here. Have a little bottom here. Put that in the bottom of it. That has the cover or lid, whatever you want to call it. Has a zipper on it. It doesn't zip very well. There we go. Once you get it started, it goes pretty good. Has pockets right here. We're going to put some stuff in here so to give you an idea of what all you can put in there. And just in case you're curious, it is about 12 and a half inches tall, 12 inches deep, and about 17 inches wide. Oh, it's got these little hooks right here on the sides where you could hook your shoulder strap up and carry it on your shoulder if you'd like. There's a big pocket right here that you can clearly see what you put inside that pocket. There's another pocket over on this side. It's not the best zipper I've ever seen come on things, but maybe when it's used a little bit, it'll get a little easier. You have to kind of fight it to get it to go. There we go. I'm sure that's probably because it's new. Anyway, there we go. Has the Velcro right here, right up in here. You can see you'll be able to take these sections and make your own little pockets here. Put it in here like so. If you didn't have a lot of cleaning supplies, you could put some big stuff inside here and put your cleaning supplies in these little pockets right here. There you go. Let's get some stuff in it and see what it looks like with stuff in it. Okay, I got some cleaning supplies here, and we're just going to put them in there and give you an idea. Look at all that. We've got another little pocket over here. We could zip something up in there if it was going to fall out, but the Lysol fits in there nicely. And we still have the sides here that you could put more stuff in. 2 sides there. Like I said, you can carry that around with you, or we can put it on the little hand truck thing, cart, whatever you want to call it. And we could look like a professional. We move this over a little, and there you go. We really don't need this on there. Not if we're going to be toting it around on the cart. Throw that in there, plenty of room, not a problem. Oh, it looks like it's got some Velcro straps here. Oh, the carrying handle, okay. Look at that. Well, they kind of thought about everything, didn't they? There you go. Undo this little Velcro right here. There you go. You don't have to worry about, uh-oh, it dumped over. But it didn't fall off because we are strapped on there. Okay, it's showing to take these little straps, and it looks like they're putting them right under there, like that. There you go. Well, it rolls easy. So what do y'all think about that? Pretty cool, huh? That long handle on there. And you can roll it around. And, you know, like I said, you can make this shorter. Or you can make it longer. Now you can tilt it back. Well, that thing rolls easy. Well, if you had a large apartment to clean, or an apartment complex, or a hotel, or whatever, you could roll that right along with you and have all your cleaning supplies right with you. You wouldn't be having to hunt stuff down. So what do y'all think about it? I'll tell you what, I like it. I like the capacity of it. I like to be able to roll it around. One of the things that I would like to see on something like this is at least to have 2 lock-in casters on here. Because if you are rolling down the hall and you want to just stop and the floor is a little uneven, or for whatever reason that thing just starts rolling off, and it could just fall right off of this desk. But having some locking casters on it, at least 2 of them would be good. Okay, I just overlooked something, and I just noticed it. It has Velcro straps that you can put. I can get this undone. That's some good Velcro, I'll give them that. And you can put it under the cart here. I got this thing loaded down. Hopefully we won't dump it out. Put that around there. Put that strap across that bottom. That'll hold it down right there. Get it nice and snug. Now you don't have to worry about that falling off there. Look at that. It ain't going nowhere. That is cool. I didn't notice that a while ago. I'm glad we discovered that. Now we can flip that handle on back and don't have to worry about this strap here. With it going straight up and down, that strap works great. But with it leaning back, not so great. But that strap that goes under it, perfect. I don't see too many cons on it. The 2 cons that I do see is I wish the casters had locks on them. At least 2 of the casters, that way it wouldn't roll around freely when you're trying to clean and this thing starts rolling off without you. The other thing is this zipper. It may be that it's new, but it doesn't work real well. Would have been nice if they put a little bit higher quality zipper on it, but that's just nitpicking. Nothing really wrong with it. They aced it on the Velcro. That's some good Velcro. You ain't got to worry about this thing falling off. I really like it, to be honest with you. And one of the cool things is it's not just for cleaning supplies. You could take this thing camping with you if you wanted to. Take it out in the driveway, put all your automotive cleaning supplies, your waxes and soaps and all that, and sponges and whatnot. Throw it in there because it is waterproof too, which that's a huge plus. Really, that's about all I got to say about it. Really nice little caddy right here. And they call it a cleaning caddy, but you can use it for whatever you want. If you'd like to get one of these for yourself, I will put a link down in the description where you can order yours today. Also, if you got any value at all out of this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't done so yet. I would appreciate that. I give it a thumbs up. I like it. Hey, I am an Amazon associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.